Learn how to search for content in the Academy with this brief tutorial. You can search for content within a course or across all courses. Access the search feature via the search bar at the top of the page. By clicking on the link from the main navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page, or by entering an actual course and clicking on the link in the course navigation. Once you've selected your search term, you can filter the results by type, by relevance and recency, or if you've initiated your search from inside the course navigation, you'll also have the option to expand your search across all available courses or focus on the current one. Clicking on a search result will direct you straight to the page that includes your search term.